So, hi Nikhil, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. So, Nikhil, you might know the motive of this review call. I just want to know some of your experience over here during your internship. So, let's
Yeah,
start with the
definitely.
learning experience. So, this was not your first internship, right?
Yeah, it was not.
Okay, okay. So, like, as compared to your before internships, what was your learning experience in this internship?
Yeah, definitely. I would say that I got to learn a lot. Like the work which I was doing was really interesting, and yeah, I would definitely love to work with you guys in the future.
Okay, so can you please
Got
tell me, like, what was the duration of your working and what was the projects you were working on?
duration as in daily duration or like the whole like 2 months or 3 months you're talking about that.
Your internship duration. What was your
Okay,
duration?
like yeah, I guess it was like 2.5 months. And what did you ask again? Could you please rephrase?
I was saying, what were the projects you were working on and what was your team and everything?
Sorry, your voice was not audible. Like working duration and
I'm saying the project you worked on and the team you've been working with.
yeah, definitely. So, I guess I was on the front end team, so I was really working alone on this. But like on the back end team, we have like Abhinav and so those guys. And on the front end team, I had what was his name? Darren Jeff. Yeah, Darren Jeff was there. So he worked with me, I guess, for 1 month only.
Okay, so like overall,
That's it.
how can you describe the working environment of Start with Genesis?
Definitely, it's really great environment and it's really flexible. One thing I would like to say that there's nothing like really. It's not like that you have to work in during the working hours only. I can work during nights or I can work during the day anytime. I like just goal oriented. You can say they just need the task which was given to be completed. It's up to me. I can work at any time. So that's the one thing which I like.
Okay, so like everything was nice from your point of view. So
Yeah,
like any kind of challenge you faced during these 2.5 months of your internship?
yeah, definitely. Few challenges were there. Like whenever like I had some doubts, so no one really like because I was working alone on this one, so no one could help me out with this. So I have to solve all my doubts and problems alone. So that was the
So
problem
like did
I
you
faced.
manage to overcome that challenge?
Yeah, definitely. That's why I guess I got the freelance contract again.
Okay, and can you like please explain briefly like how did you overcome that challenge?
Okay, so basically with the help of Google and some searches that I did online.
Okay, okay. So by your own, you figured out and like overface that challenge. Okay,
Yeah,
that's really great. So, like apart from that, any one good thing you liked of Start with Genesis, which was new and fascinated you?
yeah, definitely. As I said, the flexible working hours are really great for me because I'm more of a night guy. Like I work during nights, so that's the one thing which I like.
Okay, so like if you have to describe Start with Genesis in one line, so how would you describe it?
Online, that's difficult. Okay, I would say definitely. I would say like yeah, really great company. Like yeah, a great vision. I would say great vision.
Great vision.
Like
Okay. So like, was it worthwhile choosing Start with Genesis for an internship?
definitely, definitely. Made really great connections and loved working there.
Okay, okay. So, is there any kind of feedback from your side, like we can improve in our organization? Any kind of suggestion?
Uh, no, I guess everything was really good. I didn't find anything bad.
Okay, so you think everything was perfect over here? Still,
Yeah,
like
definitely.
not even anything you think we are missing?
Yeah, but like those small things, like every place has some small issues, so we can't really do that. Like do something about that. Like I really find that when I had some problems, I would have someone who could help me with that. But definitely, I was really happy that no one was there to help me. because when I learned on my own, so I learned many more things along with that. So that's the one thing I would like to say. So
That's
even the disadvantage helped me in my helped me. That's it. Even the disadvantage which I didn't like.
okay. That's really impressive. So, like, would you suggest start with Genesis to all the students who are seeking internships and any kind of note you want to
Definitely,
give?
definitely. I even suggested one of my friends, so he said, yeah, next summer he'll definitely try and start with Genesis for his internship.
Oh, okay. That's so good of you. Thank you so much for that. Okay. Any kind of like a point you want to add up for this organization or the mentor, Mayank sir you work with?
Okay, Mayank sir, you mean to say? Yeah. So I would say Mayank sir is like really building a great team. Like, but I guess he should try and diversify his team more.
Yeah, this is the third time we are like hearing this suggestion. So yeah, we are working on this thing. On
Definitely.
the feeling. Okay. So okay, thank you so much, Nikhil, for your time, for your valuable
Okay.
feedback.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for having